Welcome to my presentation. My name is Melike Tekindal. Today's title is we talk about the MAXQDA AI Assist in Action, Big Data Analysis with YouTube Data. Today we will explore how MAXQDA AI Assist facilitates qualitative big data analysis through a case study of Brand's YouTube comments. First of all, I want to introduce myself to you. I am an associate professor in Turkey, İzmir Katip Çelebi University in İzmir. I graduated from Hacettepe University. I earned bachelor degree and master degree and doctorate degree at the same university. And I work with disabled person and who have disabled a child in their family, also women I work with in my social work area. And my master thesis is about quality of life of mother who had disabled children, and doctorate thesis is feminist group work with women who have disabled children also. And I use mixed method research at my doctoral thesis. And my MAXQDA career is since 2018, I have been professional MAXQDA trainer also, and I am providing workshops and consultancies and qualitative and mixed method research also. And my academic interests include qualitative methods and disability studies, women studies, and technology on social work also. After that, today's presentation context is we will start with introduction and definition and scope of qualitative big data and objectives I serve to you, what is the research aims to achieve, and methods that we used, how the study was conducted, and the tools was used. And I will show you the findings about the results derived from the analysis. And we have conclusion, key takeaways about and insights about big data analysis with MAXQDA AI. And the last one is question and answers parts. Your questions I want to answer. And introduction, we have some definitions about qualitative big data. What's that? And it is refers unstructured or semi-structured data sets like social media posts, blogs, or videos. And it has some characteristics also. It has some volumes. It often involves analyzing millions of posts and interviews also. It has some varieties. Data can be in text, audio, image, or video formats, it could be. And the unstructured nature requires advanced methods for analysis also in big data, qualitative big data. And it provides deep insights into human emotions and behaviors and motivations also. Literature says that the types of qualitative data it has, text-based qualitative big data we have, and visual and video-based qualitative big data, and also audio-based qualitative big data that we work within, and social media-based qualitative big data, and event and behavior-based qualitative big data that we can use in our research. I have some attentions to you. Qualitative big data is powerful, but analyzing behavior and social dynamics very powerful for us, but the analysis methods must align with the research objectives, and the diversity of data while insightful complicates analysis. And effective analysis requires appropriate tools and techniques, and such as we used MAXQDA AI Assist. I want to show you some MAXQDA importance for qualitative data, big data also. MAXQDA provides us essential features of qualitative big data, like multi-format support, work with text, audio, video, and images. And we can do coding and team developments also, automatic and hierarchical coding we can do. And visualization tools like workloads, code metrics, and maps also. And we can work with large data sets also, efficient organization and segmentation. And that we know is mixed method support. Combines qualitative and quantitative data seamlessly. And with MAXQDA, you can do a lot of things also, you know. We can import and analyze social media and web content and use tools like workloads, code metrics, and visualize key themes also with MAXQDA. And we can generate detailed reports efficiently, making it ideal for big data analysis. For us, it is important for us also. And MAXQDA AI supports it assists enhanced analysis with features like automatic coding, saves time by categorizing data automatically also. Sentiment analysis we can do, identifies dysfunction, identifies emotional tones in text, and summarization we can do, extract key points from large text also. Interaction with text we can do. The AI chat feature enables researchers to ask questions about documents or coded segments and allowing them to gain insights quickly also. And the text explanations and summaries also, we can automatically generate explanations and summaries for selected text pages and save this information as memos. Okay, what's the objectives are our research, my research? This study has three main objectives. To analyze YouTube comments on Brown's TED Talk using sentiment analysis, and to showcase the capabilities of MAXQDA AI Assist in qualitative big data analysis, big data research, and to explore how audience perceive the concept of vulnerability also. At this point, we have in this study a qualitative research method was used, and its focus on secondary data analysis. This approach allowed us reanalyze 4,220 English YouTube comments from Brown's The Power of Vulnerability TED Talk. The data set provided a rich and diverse source to explore people perceptions and emotional reactions, and making it highly suitable for big data analysis also. Using MAXQDA AI Assist, we systematically analyze these unstructured comments. And importantly, the data was obtained from public accessible, and so we can ensuring the research adhered to ethical standards. The sentiment and thematic analysis conducted aligns perfectly with the study's objective of understanding audience perceptions and emotional responses also for concept of vulnerability. And this is our YouTube video. You can watch it at YouTube. And the brand's TED Talks, The Power of Vulnerability, is one of the most watched TED Talks in the field of social work. It emphasizes vulnerability as a strength also. Because of that, I want to introduce you how its sentiments to comments in YouTube. I wanted to analyze in big data also. And Brands, in this video, she argues that vulnerability is not weakness, but it's contrary, the capacity of authenticity and connection, she said. And based on her research, she states that embarrassing and interesting vulnerability makes people more empathic, creative, and emotionally healthy, she said. And she emphasized that the sharing our fears and shame, and we can build deeper and more meaningful relationships with others. And Brown explains that vulnerability serves as a foundation for risk-taking and innovation and change also. And as of July 22, 2024, I analyzed that, get the data from in this time. It had over 65,633,386 views. Yes, I said it. And then 6,525 comments it gets. And 4,270 comments and English comments were selected for analysis. We can't do Turkish ones in sentiment analysis also. Because of that, I know English a little bit. I want to do this in English ones also. I don't know the other languages. And in analysis, MAXQDA AI assist features used in the study. And I used importing YouTube comments and sentiment analysis, AI coding, code suggestions, summarization, and text explanation and summaries, and interactive text analysis such as chat disk code segments also I used. It's very enjoyable for me when I am doing this analysis. And this part of the session is show you how did this. I show you this step by step also. First of all, data organization and analysis process. First step in the analysis was importing the YouTube comments into MAXQDA, also English ones. First of all, you must import the YouTube data also into the MAXQDA. This features streamlined organization of a large and complex dataset, making it ready for further analysis. And then I click codes menu, and after that, smart coding tool, I click, and then you can see it in the slides also. Analyze sentiments, I click, and then I choose the language, and then I click the OK. After that, the English comments import the MAXQDA. After that, I do at the same menu again, auto code segments with sentiment. After this part, the middle of the windows is opened, autocode segment with sentiment. I choose the 5 sentiment also. If you want, you can choose 3 of them or 1 of them, your choose. I choose all of them, positive, slightly positive, neutral, slightly negative, negative, and no sentiment ones. After that, the AutoCode segment with sentiments is done. This is provides us, helping us to organize and analyze datasets also. This feature allowed us to quickly identify recurring themes and patterns in these 4,270 comments also, and generating 6 sentiment codes using AutoCode segments with sentiment feature also. I said it again. After that, my MAXQDA project is done like this. You can see documents that I import into the MAXQDA, and then codes are the positive, slightly positive, neutral, slightly negative. Negative, no sentiments was, you can see it in here. And what about the other features that I use? For each 6 codes, AI assessed was used to suggest subcodes. It's very important for this research. And for instance, I can show you the positive one in the slide screenshot. I can get you. And when you go on the positive one, positive code, click the right on the mouse you have, and AI assessed you can click, and then you can do suggest subcodes and then summarize coded segments you can use. And it is suggest subcodes for deeper thematic exploration also. These subcodes allowed us to refine the analysis further and uncover additional insights that I couldn't see it. It's important for me. After that, you can choose suggested subcodes. When you click the suggested subcodes, you get this little window also. You can choose what you want, a special language, and then you can click the OK, then go on. Like this, after you click the OK, the summarized code segments option you can see in there. Positive ones, you can see first suggested subcodes you can see, and the other at the end of the page, summarized code segments you can see in here. I did some of them for my analyze in Turkish, in English. I do you can use in Turkish summarized coded segments also. Okay, what about then? I chat with this code segments used. I use it. It's very enjoyable for me. And the same, you can go positive code, click the right on the mouse and AI assessed. And then you can click the chat with this code segments also. After that, AI assist chat window is opened for you, and you can write, ask everything as you want in there. You can talk with your codes or documents also, or memos. And I use this chat, iChat, for like most like 5 comments also. I will show you in the analyze version. This feature was applied to the positive code, and I use it to interact with and analyze most liked 5 comments in this segment. And you can do like this in your research also. So what about findings? As I showed you before, I want to look 5 and no sentiment analysis codes I want to do, and positive, slightly positive, neutral, slightly negative, and no sentiment coded that I done. Positive 1023 comments it coded, and 1121 comments slightly positive, and natural 1105 comments, and slightly negative ones are 459, negatives are 242 comments, and I have 320 no sentiment comments also. And the MAXQDA AI Assist do for me some sub-themes also. And I can show the sub-themes also for you. For positives, one positive code, it suggested to me 10 subcodes. And these comments highlight themes such as connection, inspiration, and authenticity. And as you can see, I had chats with the MAXQDA positive comments. I said it, can you list the top 5 most liked comments among these coded as positive? It gave me these comments. I love this, wonderful. This is one of my favorite, life-changing, inspiring, and amazing. This video changed my life and the other ones because we have a lot of positive comments. And for example, viewers expressed how Brené Brown's message helped them to understand the importance of vulnerability and in building deeper relationships also. Slightly positive ones has 6 subcodes, it suggests to me. These comments include mild praise for Brown's ideas and her relatable presentation style and storytelling also, and reliability of her messages. We have 6 subcodes. And then I choose for you the comments that like most. It has huge comments. Because of that, MAXQDA AI chat didn't chat me. Like 1,000, average 1,000 comments, it's speak. And I choose for you. And it is self-reflection and growth also. And nature ones, we can see, it has 7 subcodes suggested. And these comments offered analytical or factual feedbacks also without strong emotions. And many of focused on the concepts of vulnerability and authenticity and providing insights into how these ideas can be applied various contexts also. After slightly negative ones, we have 459 comments, and 10 subcodes suggested to me. And these comments often raise concerns and mild criticism about the practicality of vulnerability also. And some viewers mentioned challenges in applying this concept in real world scenarios also, and particularly in professional settings. And the other findings is negative ones. 242 comments I had, and 6 subcodes suggested. And these comments often viewed vulnerability as a weakness or criticized like talks content and approach. They say is vulnerability is weakness for us. And some, for instance, I have some comments for you. Some viewers argue that the embarrassing vulnerability might make individuals more susceptible. I couldn't say that. And to negative comments, you can see the comments also. But the positive and slightly positive ones is very high comments. And we have 320 no sentiments. It is suggested that as 10 subcodes, and these were off-topic remarks or technical feedback unrelated to the main themes on the talk. And examples include comments about video quality or irrelevant discussions also. But it suggests me to 10 subcodes. So, I can say something for conclusions. And 6 sentiment categories provide valuable insights into audience perspectives. Also, positive and slightly positive themes highlight the appreciation for Brown's concept of connection and authenticity. And the positive sub-themes revealed how audience connected deeply with the talk. And key sub-themes included authenticity, emotional connection, and value of the vulnerability of fostering the relationship also. And natural themes that we have reflect analytical feedback and informational exchanges. And slightly negative themes are indicate skepticism and difficulty in accepting vulnerability as straight also. After that, when we ask how MAXQDA AI assists improve big data analysis, and I have some answers also. And MAXQDA AI assist enhance the quality big data analysis in following ways. We can do automatic coding and subcode suggestions, and it simplifies the data organization and provides detailed insights also. And sentiment analysis, like in this research, identifies emotional tones and text efficiency, and summarization of tools that extract key points from large data sets quickly and saving time also. And interactive features that allows querying data for deeper exploration, such as chat with Discord segments that I have is very useful for me. So, like at the end, how much time I get, I don't know, but I can do it very fast. In conclusion, MAXQDA AI assets significantly enhance the efficiency and depth of this study by providing advanced tools for sentiment analysis and thematic exploration also. And the results demonstrate diverse audience perceptions of vulnerability and also see trends of the skepticism about practicality of vulnerability that we use in our professional life. And also in this study highlights that the value of AI assist in managing and analyzing large data sets like YouTube comments, we can use it very useful for us. At the end, thank you for your listening. I will be happy answer any questions about you in the study or about me. Thank you very much.